Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're going to talk about
cross multiplication.
math problems and its rules.
Yeah, comparing fractions,
Explanation of the rules. So basically it's all about the cross of multiplication and what are the rules for that. So let's get started, Lina.
Yeah. What is an equation? Like we know the simple math problem. Like we know what an equation is. We know what an equation is. It's obvious.
Yeah, so before we dive into the cross multiplication, we need to understand what is an equation. Right?
But what you guys are thinking is an equation is just like, for example, 2 plus 2 equals 4. But that's not our equation that we're talking about. Okay? It's different.
But that is equation.
Yeah, but we're talking about a different equation.
So equation always have an equal sign. That's what Lina meant to say.
An equation is a mathematical statement that shows two sides are equal using an equal sign.
That's what we talk about, right? And she showed you that 2 plus 2 equal to 4. That's an example of equation. Okay, more?
Like that.
Another example
is... That's the exact same thing that I did just with the 2.
It has to be equal both sides.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is also equation.
Yeah, that's also equation, but that's x. Doesn't really look like x, but it's x.
So here you need to find the value of x, which is
3.
3.
What is the value of x?
Oh, we just say that.
Yeah.
We're in advance.
Okay, wait. Thinking of the equation like a balancing scale. It's like a balancing scale.
Balancing.
If you guys don't know,
has to be equal.
If you guys don't know, a balancing scale looks like kind of like this. And then you just do that.
Yeah.
And then you have like 3 bricks on top of each other.
Yeah.
And then this one will go down, right? It would look like this then, right?
Yeah, because that will go.
Because
it has more loads there.
Yeah, it has more loads here.
Yeah. So you have to
So
make it equal.
Look like this. But if we add 3 blocks to this side,
it's gonna be
like this.
equal. So that's the equations
like
are.
Not like this.
Yeah, that's a greater than and
that's
smaller than. Okay, move on. So what is a fraction equation?
That's what we're talking about, equation.
So keep going. So let's see. A fraction equation is an equation where fractions are present and the two sides are equal. So it's now in the fraction version. Let's see.
It's like, never mind.
It's there, Lina, so you can go.
Yeah, that's how I was gonna write anyway.
So this is a little bit different, like what we see previous, right?
Yeah, it's different, right? Instead of it being like this.
Yeah.
Instead of it being like this,
now it's
it would be like. No, that's exact same.
Yeah, that's okay. This is.
It would be like this. Like if you wanted to multiply fractions, it's like give me some fraction numbers.
5 by 2.
5 by 2. Okay. 5 by 2. Right?
Equal
give me
to
another one.
8 by 5.
Let's see if it is equal to or not equal to. So 8 by 5 you said? Okay. So what? Okay. Actually, it'll say in the next slide.
Yeah.
I'll do the same example, like 5 by 2 and 8 by 5. But first, we gotta learn what cross multiplication is.
Yeah.
We'll be learning
so
that.
she will explain you more in the next one.
Yeah, with the same example, if I remember it.
So this is also another example.
Yeah, that's another one.
Fraction equation.
And then now I just say find the value of x. We will learn
cross multiplication.
Like I said, we will learn cross multiplication to solve this.
Yeah.
Well,
let's see.
X, actually.
Let's move to the next one and learn how to do that cross multiplication equation. Yeah. So cross multiplication is a method used to solve equations that involve
two fractions.
Ooh. So let's see the example.
Like
here, 2 by 3 equal to 4 by 6.
For cross multiplication.
So number one.
Number one. Multiply the top number of the first fraction by the bottom number of the second fraction.
So for example, this is the first fraction. So this is the first number 2, and that's the.
Actually, we'll use this example.
So let's see.
So
2 by
that
6.
gives us 2 times 6 equals 12. That's
12.
basically the same thing, but
Right.
it's just different. So this is how I said. I will go back to that.
Yeah.
And the 5 by 2 one and 8 by 5 one. That was right?
That's okay. Yeah.
I'll just do what I said. By 2 and equal
8 by
to
5.
8 by 5. And how do we solve this? We got to use this.
Cross way.
Cross multiplication. Let me just erase this part.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go like this. Actually, I could use a different color.
Yeah, that's fine. You
Yeah,
can. Yeah.
So
5
we
times
will
5.
times this.
Yeah,
5
and 8
times
times
5.
2.
Okay, first let's do 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so 25. And then 2 times 8 times 2. 2 times 8
is 16.
Yeah, it's 16.
And this is not
So
right.
These are not equal to.
Fraction.
Because 25 equal to 16? No.
It's wrong. So
It's
that's not equation.
It's not equal to. So as you see, let's do what is 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12.
Yeah.
And then now 3 times 4.
Yeah, we can explain that one.
Yeah, 3 times 4.
Step 2.
Step 2.
Yeah.
Multiply the bottom number of the first. Multiply the bottom number of the
First
fraction
by the top
by
number
the
of the
top
second
number.
fraction.
Like on the last one, we did the bottom number to the top, this, and then
This one is bottom to top.
But it's just
Top
this
to
way.
bottom.
It's
bottom
just
to top.
this way.
Yeah.
One is going this way, one is going that way.
Yeah. So which will be here in this case?
That gives us 3
times
times 4
4
equals 12. 12.
Okay. Well, explain. Next one.
Yep. And then
12 equal to 12. So
that means it's equal to.
Fractions.
Equivalent.
equivalent.
Yeah, equivalent. That means equal to. Just
Next.
telling you.
Yeah.
I had that one in one of my math programs.
Okay. Comparing fractions. What does this mean?
Comparing fractions? What does that mean? Okay, cross multiplication is an effective method to compare fractions.
Very important. So let's see what that mean with the example.
Yep.
Yeah. So compare here.
So
2 by 3 and
example 1. Compare 2 by 3 and 3 by 5.
so how we know which one is the greater than
Yeah, how do we know?
which one is greater and which one is
How do we know?
lesser. So it says
Use
cross multiplication.
cross multiplication.
So the rule is in the first fraction,
Okay, wait, let's see. So it's the same exact thing.
top to bottom,
So
bottom
first-
to top.
So first, let's see which one. So first, let's just time this. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10.
So you put it
And-
that side.
Yes, I put on the top part.
Yeah, left
And
side.
3 times 3 is 9.
You put left side. So
Yep,
it's
on the
9.
top part.
So which one is the greater?
So the greater one is, drum roll please, this one.
Yeah, 2 by 3, 10. Of course, 10 is greater than 9. So let's see you are right or not.
Yep.
Good.
Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys don't know, this sign
Greater.
makes sure that this is greater. The number that is doing this is greater.
Mouth
Yeah.
is there.
No. I'll show you what I learned in grade 2. But right now I'm in grade 4.
Yeah.
So let me just write the same.
Use the darker shade.
Yeah, I'll use red.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let me just erase this really quick.
Yeah.
So 10,
Yeah.
and then I'll do it this, and 20. So we would act like these little things were alligator teeth. we eat the bigger number. We want to eat the bigger number.
Not the smaller number.
And then we don't want to eat the smaller.
So crocodile
We
attack.
don't. We
So
want
that means
more.
Lina, the alligator attract to the bigger number,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's see. By the way, good explanation, Lina, for the greater number and smaller number. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. So
Yeah.
in that case, 2 by 3 is greater than
the same
3 by
thing.
5 fraction.
It's the exact same here. Just put that.
And how we find it? By cross multiplication.
Yep.
Next.
Again.
Yeah. Another example.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Example problems. Solve for x.
So what is the value for x?
Okay,
here?
solve the problem, but you need to figure out what x means.
Yeah, x. Let us say x doesn't know. It doesn't have any value right now. So now we need to find the value.
Yes.
And how we do?
So
again, using the cross multiplication method.
That little star thing means cross
multiplication.
Multiplication
yes.
symbol, okay? Because they don't really do this sign.
Yeah.
They do
okay,
star.
so anyway.
So
the rule for the cross multiplication again, Lina?
Yeah.
Top to bottom.
Yeah, so
bottom to top.
2 times 15 times 2, also known as 2 times 15, which is easier, is 30.
Yes.
So we'll put the 30 over here.
Yeah.
Pretend the 30 is there.
And
then 5 times x.
5x.
So we would just call it 5x. And then you would put 5x here.
Yeah, so the 5.
And then
now here we need to find the x value.
Then we actually need to switch the places. So the 5x gotta come where the 30 is, and the 30 gotta come where the 5x was.
So
dividing both sides by 5.
And why we need to do that?
Because we don't need the 5 actually. We just need it.
X values.
Yeah, we just need the x, but
we want
need
this 5 to be disappear.
No, we need the 5 to go. Wait.
Away.
Wait. We need the 5 to go here.
Yeah, somewhere in the school. We don't need that 5. Yes.
No, wait. Go back. 5. We need it to go right.
Okay.
You can barely see that. 5.
Yeah. So now
that's where we need the 5. Okay, we don't need to go anywhere. We just need to kick that out of place.
Yeah, because we want x values, right? So you divide both sides 5 by 5.
Yeah.
Which looks like
this
that.
Is 5. And then this will be 5. So
now simplify it.
If you don't know, I think we made a simplifying video. So we didn't make it yet, but we will make it. But you could watch that and then you'll know what simplification is. So yeah.
So 30 divided by 5
will equal to 6.
Yeah. So 30 divided by 5.
Yeah. You guys get it.
Okay. So that's how you
And
get.
that's it.
Super good learning about the cross multiplication, and I learned something new, Lina. To find the comparison was the best part for me. Which one was your best part? Which one was your best part, Lina? Which one was the best part?
My best part
was
everything.
Okay. All right then. See you guys. Bye-bye. Have a good day.